is my video of me being freaking stupid. This is not recommended for people under the age of 500,000,006. Oh no! See, I was never fair right there. I could have broke my leg. On this here. Oh, it's real. That's what it's called. I always wondered. Let's go on it. Oh no, I'm falling. Oh. Let's try it again.
Did you get that on tape, Lily?
Let's try it again, people. Don't laugh at me.
Too bad.
Let's go.
I am gonna be famous like Sir.
Poops a lot.
What was his name?
Super B.
George Washington.
10.
Laundry. George washing my laundry. Oh, you suck. Let's try this again. Ding, brother, done. Ding, brother, done. Ding, brother, done. I work at Burger King.
Making double whoppers.
Like retards, like retards. Holy crap, look at that. No, you stay in that house. Oh, shit.
Just go.
Oh, you're taking me off.
Need a boost? Go on ahead, fall. Fall now. You fall now.